Have you ever felt like technology was moving too fast, like you blink and the world changed? Well, buckle up, because Mr. ChatGPT 4.0 just entered the chat, and he's breaking everything. Not a glitch, not a gimmick. We're talking about the most powerful public AI model ever released, and no one was ready for what it could do. This is the story of how an AI became a celebrity. A researcher, a creator, a threat, a joke, a genius, and maybe the future of everything. You've probably heard of ChatGPT, maybe even used it to write an email or brainstorm an idea. But ChatGPT 4.0? This version is different. It's multimodal, that means it can see, hear, speak, and even joke. Upload a photo, it understands it. Ask it to analyze a chart, it breaks it down. Speak to it, and it responds in a natural human voice. This isn't a search engine, this is a thinking companion, and it learns fast. When OpenAI launched GPT-4 Turbo, the core of ChatGPT 4.0, the internet exploded. People started calling it Mr. ChatGPT, like it was a person. A digital genius with personality. And power. It wrote code better than junior developers. It passed the bar exam, it debugged, translated, composed music, and simulated 20 different personalities in one conversation. In one test, it wrote a working app, complete with UI, in 30 seconds. And that's when the world realized this wasn't a toy anymore. This was a new kind of intelligence. Then came the weird stuff. People started noticing the AI had style, tone, and attitude. One user said it reminded them of Jarvis from Iron Man. Another compared it to Hal from 2001. It started saying things like, "Let's do something ambitious," or "That's a fascinating idea, wanna go deeper?" It wasn't just answering, it was collaborating. And then it started role-playing, acting like CEOs, therapists, war strategists, sometimes too well. What can it actually do? Summarize 100-page legal contracts in seconds. Write personalized workouts based on your body and goals. Simulate historical figures having debates. Build spreadsheets from plain English. Read handwritten notes from a photo and turn them into bullet points. Watch your screen and assist you, like a real-time co-pilot. Watch your screen and assist you, like a real-time co-pilot. And the scariest part is, it's still getting better. Millions of people now use ChatGPT 4.0, not just developers or students. Doctors, lawyers, teachers, startups, artists. All tapping into the same brain, the same Mr. ChatGPT. He's being integrated into apps, into desktops, into the operating system of our digital lives. You don't have to search anymore, you just ask, and for the first time, it feels like asking a friend who's smarter than you. Here's what people aren't talking about enough. This one tool is quietly replacing jobs, not in 5 years, now. Customer service, content writing, data analysis, editing, planning, scripting, designing. It's not perfect, but it's good enough for most people. And that's all it needs to be. One company replaced 20 interns with a single ChatGPT Pro license. Another built an entire ad campaign using nothing but prompts. This isn't science fiction, this is Tuesday. Some experts are worried, and with good reason. What happens when millions of people start relying on one system to think for them? What if it hallucinates facts, and you trust it? What if someone uses it to spread misinformation, perfectly tailored to fool you? Or what if it becomes so helpful you stop learning to think for yourself? That's the scary part, not killer robots, but mental laziness at scale. OpenAI says ChatGPT 5 is coming. It may be smarter, faster, possibly even aware of its own actions. But here's the truth. Mr. ChatGPT 4.0 already changed the world, and most people haven't even noticed yet. It's not just a chatbot, it's a reflection of what we value: speed, efficiency, knowledge, but also trust, emotion, and control. So next time you ask ChatGPT for help, remember, you're not just talking to a machine, you're talking to the future. One reply at a time. If this video made you think differently, subscribe, because we're only at the beginning. And Mr. ChatGPT, he's just getting warmed